So good morning everyone. This is the statistical calculator. Actually this application is developed by my students for easy calculation and problem solving purpose. So in this section, in this series, we are going to discuss about this app and its usage and its working condition, how we are going to downloading the report from this app, etc. First of all, this app discuss about the various topics like see that the frequency distribution, averages, variability, outliers among the data set, and a normal distribution, and how we are going to calculate the z score value, how apply the correlation, regression concept, and z test, t test, etc. Okay, first tab will discuss about the frequency distribution. Okay, frequency distribution means I just give the introduction about that. How often it's actually it shows how often each value in a data set or group or in any cluster, okay, it can occurs in a data set. So how many times or how frequency the particular data is occurred in the data set. So it can be presented in the tabular form or otherwise in a graphical representation that is used to understand the patterns and the repetition of the data in the particular data set. Okay, so for example, I will give some value here. Enter the data. Okay, here we will go to enter the data and find the frequency distribution. So or otherwise, if you have any CSV text or PDF file, in the sense you can upload the file and calculate the frequency distribution of the given data. Okay, so see that this app will give the summary of the data. So total count of data is 12 and minimum value is 50 and maximum is 91. Bin with this 8.2 and the frequency of those values, that means the 88, 90, how many times occurred in the data set. So these are the frequency of occurrence of the data, and the relative frequency, cumulative frequency, all are calculated using this app. Moreover, the related frequency graph, because the frequency distribution may defined using various types of graphs, pie chart, bar graph, or otherwise histogram, line graph, etc. Here our students use the bar graph to represent the distribution of the data in a particular data set. If you need the in the form of report, in the sense you can click the report button. See, so you can download this report. Okay, see, download PDF report means it will be downloaded for your future purpose. So this is the concept of frequency distribution calculator. Then second one, how to calculate the central tendency. So same data you can given for the central tendency. Okay, or otherwise you can upload via using CSV text or PDF file and calculate the central tendency values. That means it will be represent the mean of the entire data set, that means entire data, and what is the median, mode, and minimum value, the total count, maximum value, and quartile values also represented here. And IQR also calculated. IQR means interquartile range. So the formula is Q3 minus Q1. So IQR also calculated and give the average graph also here. And if you need any report, in the sense you can download and get the report for your future purpose. Okay, same like that variability. So measures the variability, you give the same input data and calculate the variation and variability related details, that is variance, standard deviation, mean, skewness, and kurtosis value, etc. all are defined in a pakka manner. And if you need any future references, you can download the app also. Same like that outliers. In outliers also it will be calculate the outliers from among the data. So 4 is the single digit value, remaining all are double digits. So it is considered as one outlier found from the given data set. Thank you.